Hi, this is Tweek. It's our last episode of Season 2, and you may have been around when I was making all my little crazy creatures out of crystals. And Christmas will be over, and I don't want to put them away, especially the ones that will carry us right through the winter season. So what to do about that? Why, of course, you make a crystal creature keeper. And here's how we did that. And there you have it. Our crystal creature keepers are constructed, and here's how I put some of them to use. Let it snow. Yeah, that can be left out right through the winter season. Another little guy here, 2021, commemorating the year. And here, one of my favorite elves. Isn't she delightful? But time to pack her away, and I'll use this creature keeper to feature another one of my favorites, which are our dancers. What would you put down there for the dancer? Why, I would put down something that we should all do more of. And that would be to dance, something that we can be reminded to do year-round. So if you like what you've seen here today, give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and remember to ring the bell so you know when another episode of Tweeks with Tweek is coming along. Until then, I've made dozens of the crystal cluster balls, all kinds of creatures, and now we have a way to display them in a beautiful way. See you again.